Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize app icons or system themes on Vivo Y04. If you are using Vivo Y04 and now you want to customize your app icons or themes, so let's see how can I do this. Here you can see I have already changed my themes. You just have to look for themes app in your phone, which is pre-installed of your phone. It's that app. You just have to tap on it and it will open something like this. You just have to select local from the bottom right corner. Tap on it, then select local themes, and here you'll get all of your themes on your phone. There are some downloaded themes, and the system themes you have to select one of them which you want to set as. Just select the theme, and you can see how will it affect your system. It will change your app icons and your background or wallpaper. Have to look for one which you want to set as, and after looking, you have to tap on apply, and then it will change your system theme or app icon. Here, go back. There you can easily see how can it affect. So that's how you can easily customize apps or system themes on your Vivo Y04 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.